guys, did you know that having a membership with Live Good allows you to have all the supplements your body needs in one place? It also gives you an opportunity to save money and make money. To learn more about how to join me with Live Good, click on the link in the description and take the Live Good tour. Hey guys, it's Crystal the Fit Mom. So I've become addicted to these protein iced coffees that I came up with because I'm like, Starbucks, Human Being, Dunkin' Donuts, yes, those are all so awesome, but they have so much sugar in them. Like, it's crazy how much sugar those drinks have in them. So I decided, hey, I still want that taste, but I don't want to have like all the sugar and calories and all that stuff. When I really, anyways, there's a distraction in the background over here. But so first, let me tell you what I mean. I'm gonna go ahead and make I already started that. I made my coffee in the Keurig. I like to use Crave. Let me see if you guys can see. I already poked a hole in it. But I like to use the Crave coffee, little K-cups. I put my ice already. It's already melted. I put my ice in the coffee. And the cool thing I like too is that I can make these like all week long and not have to pay, $7 for one drink. I have all the ingredients right here to do this as many times as I want. So the first thing is my Body Fortress whey protein. This is my go-to protein, like no matter what. I've been taking this for years and it has not done me wrong. One scoop is 30 grams of protein. So first, I'm gonna go ahead and put a scoop of that in there. And this flavor is the hazelnut. So let me go ahead and put that like that. And then my sweetener is going to be my frozen bananas. So you guys know I like to prep my bananas for my smoothies. So let me go ahead and drop one of these in here. And of course, unsweetened cocoa powder. You gotta have your cocoa powder. That gives you that, that chocolatey thing you want going on when you're having your latte or your iced coffee. So I only put like a half a teaspoon of this in here. Then I go ahead and I make, this is just me, I like to put peanut butter in everything, just about. Let me go ahead and drop my peanut butter in there. I put like a teaspoon, half a teaspoon. And then I go ahead and sprinkle some cinnamon because it gives it just a little bit of extra flavor. Plus your cinnamon has your extra health benefits. What am I forgetting? Oh, I gotta have my dark chocolate chips. I already talked about how the dark chocolate chips, when they're coming up through the straw, just those little pieces of chocolate just coming through the straw are just too awesome for me. So, are you okay, baby?
Get the cheese without them seeing me.
Oh my gosh. Anyway.
Hey.
Alright. So, I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit of dark chocolate. Just a little bit. Alright. So that's that. That's what I have there. So I'm going to go over here. I'm going to put this on and I'll be right back and put it on my Ninja. Guys, so this is what I got. And, hold on. Let me go ahead and put the top on. These things are so good. Like the first one I made, I can't even remember. Oh, I think it was coconut. No, it was pumpkin spice. That's the first one I made. And I'm like, I was blown away. Let me put this top on. There we go. Having technical difficulties there. And then I made a chocolate hazelnut one. Then I made coconut. And these are all the different flavors that Crave Coffee has. I'll put a link for Amazon for the Crave Coffee. They have so many different flavors. It is awesome. So anyways, Let me taste. Oh my God. You can't go wrong with this. You cannot. You have that coffee taste you want, that iced coffee taste, whatever flavor you're trying to go for, like the hazelnut, whatever. You got your frozen bananas as a sweetener. You got a little bit of cinnamon in there. You have your protein. So it's 30 grams of protein in this little thing here. I got my peanut butter and I got my dark chocolate chips all in here. And it's making it for either an awesome snack. This is how I break my fast in the morning. I get one of these as my first thing besides water, and before my oatmeal and all that stuff. And this is like an awesome dessert as well because it's nighttime and I needed something sweet. All right, guys. So again, better than Starbucks in my opinion. Cheaper than Starbucks. Get your ingredients, your protein powder, your flavored coffee, your frozen bananas, whatever you like, and make your not so sugary, not high calorie iced coffee at home. All right, guys, that's all I got. Be sure to subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.
Bye.
Hold on, I didn't do is this peanut butter on the side of this? Oh my God.
Does fried chicken match with that or no?
No, baby.
Okay.
Oh, hold on, let me do this or I could do one of these, like better than, and it could be like what, better than Starbucks or something like that. I don't know.
Yeah, you're listening? My bad.
Bye.
I'm choked.